Okay, everybody, we're gonna do a couple of the most basic backbone exercises. These could be warm-up exercises for a serious weightlifting program to follow. Could just be some mobility exercises to do on the weekend to make yourself feel better, make you feel better before you're going for a hike, maybe make you feel better before you pick up all the kids' toys off the floor. These are some staple exercises you gotta do in your life. Try these. Workout Wednesday. Got a little bend to the knees. This is just a toe touch. Bend the knees as much as you need to get down. Keep a good maxed out stretch in those hamstrings. Bend the knees to keep it off the calves. When you lock your knees out, it becomes more calf dominant, so keep that in the hamstrings. Start to walk it out. Little bend, try and just drive those heels down. Palms driving down through the ground. And just keep heels down with those hips going up so you get that pull all the way through the back of those legs. We're just gonna walk it out. We'll get ourselves in that familiar plank. Use this to warm up the abs. Shoulders are working. Keep the abs working. If you got more in you, max out that walk. Pop, pop. Come walking it back in. Little inchworm. Everyone has different things going on, different injuries, different past. You find the stuff that works for you. If something doesn't feel good, don't do it. There's always variations, right? And sometimes you gotta warm up, do it a couple extra times, do it more. I screwed up my left elbow on kids' play center, obviously. That's where most accidents happen for adults. So my left elbow, 5 months later, is never gonna be the same, I can tell, but you still work. And so they hand walk. It's a yoga exercise, it's a sports exercise. There's probably a million variations, but you can also keep adding to it. So you can walk it out, hold through here, throw the Spiderman in. Take that foot to the outside hand, try and keep that back foot, the heel pushing back, abs in, switching legs, trying to get the groin flexibility. You need it. If you're squatting, deadlifts, life, you can play around, add a twist, abs in, switching. This is the Spiderman. Your kids will like this one. Or the name at least. Take a little break. If you're fried, don't go back. Feeling lazy, you don't want to do the hand walk all over, just jump right into the Spiderman. It's your workout. Just keep moving. Give your body what it needs and just do something. That's the goal. That's usually where you end up. Through here, low, walking it back. Quick tip, get yourself a towel, do it at home, work on these little mobility exercises. This will give you a little kick up, make things a little easier to get your foot in the door, and just get started with some good stretches. Try this out. Mobility, moving the body, doing exercise, you gotta feel good. We always have some tight hamstrings. If you're extra tight in the hamstrings, give yourself a little lift in the heels, toe touch, reaching up, breathing out. Try and just do a set. Good 10 to 15 reps. Coming through, using that back, rolling down, pushing down through those legs. Make it uncomfortable. Make each one count. Once you graduate, you want to make life harder. You want to get more of a calf stretch, more in the calves. Reverse it. Toes on it. This will be more focused now of a calf stretch. Come down, right through here, touching, going up. That's part of the start. Then we're gonna follow it up with the toe touch squat progression. Great mobility exercise that will kind of get you feeling comfortable squatting, make your squat better too once you start playing with weights, and just a great way to get the hips opened up. But you work on a deep squat, drive the hips down, drive that chest up, knees wide. Little break. Keep the torture going. You're gonna do that toe touch. You're gonna add some upper body. Toe touch down. Hips through the heels. Get tall. Take one arm. Exhale again. Big reach. Looking at it. Eyes follow the fingers. Other one. We're gonna go for just a few per side. A few good ones. When you add the upper body into it, you're thinking middle back, kind of your shoulder blade area. When you go reaching through it, you're stretching through the lats, but you're also trying to stay strong and kind of sucking down and in with that shoulder blade to give you a strong unit. So you're getting that stretch through your pec, through your lat, through your elbow, but you are got some strength and integrity in there. And you're gonna grunt, you're gonna make noise, you're working out. That's how it goes. Lateral squat, legs, we're moving. We're attacking the groin. The groin's a sensitive area. Very few things in life are ever stretching it. You know, life keeps you kind of locked in one spot. So groin pulls are common, hurting is common. Get it stretched out. These are all good stretches for it. Lateral squat, feet wide, and just side to side. Shifting slow, leaning back, keep the head up. Arms go straight to kind of counterbalance you. Lateral squat.